My video will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called L3MON. This L3MON is the ransomware that targets many Windows computers these days. L3MON ransomware is able to damage the files, essentially. My video, though, is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without any troubles. So pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data, all that can be opened easily without troubles. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this L3MON ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. Then, very soon, users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware actually is able to damage the files by encrypting them and by appending a special extension. In fact, this is a random 4-symbol extension. Then the ransomware reveals a special ransom note where it indicates that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration. However, I urge you to be very careful and not to pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner. You may get Combo Cleaner on the website combocleaner.com. So go to this place, combocleaner.com. Download the software through the official website, install the application, and then start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. After you click on the Start Scan button, the software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. So don't pause or don't skip this very important update procedure. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. At the end of the scanning, you will then see the summary of all the threats which were found on the system. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, you can be assured that your files would always be protected ahead of time with the anti-ransomware feature. However, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. Nevertheless, Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and to delete this particular ransomware from the system. So wait until the scanning is successfully accomplished. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but premium license is a much better solution.